Logos provides a number of tools to help with preparing for sermons or Bible study lessons. In this video we'll look at two of them, the Information tool and the Explorer tool. Sometimes it's important to focus on a specific word to see variants in translation, understand the grammatical form of a word, look at definitions and so on. The Logos Information tool provides a simple way of doing this. With your preferred Bible open to the passage you're studying, open the Information tool from the Tools menu. To get an idea of the different way the word shown as drink in verse 37 is translated, simply click it in your Bible. Then look at the translation section to see how this word has been translated in different versions. While most translations have drink, the NRSV with let drink seems to have something different. Drag the NRSV to beneath your open Bible to see how it handles this word, and note that while it has the thirsty coming to Jesus, it is those who believe in him who can drink. This could be worth exploring further, something to come back to. To capture some of the information in the Notes tool, right-click on the word, ensure the entry drink is selected, and add a note to the notebook. In the content field you can note that whilst most translations have those who are thirsty drinking, the NRSV has those who believe in Jesus drinking. Now, whenever you come to this verse, you will see an icon indicating a note. Hovering over the icon will display its contents. While the Information tool provides the ability to focus on a particular word, the Explorer tool provides some context for the wider passage. It, like the Information tool, is available in the Tools menu. Click it to open it, and then enter the passage we're studying, or by default, it will open to the passage open in your Bible. It contains links to fact book entries such as biblical events, biblical people, which shows what people are referenced in the passage, and biblical things, which show what things are referenced. Hovering over one shows a small chart with a visual indication of where this entity occurs throughout the Bible. Clicking one opens the fact book to that entry. Another key section is cross-references, which shows other biblical passages that are relevant to this one. Hovering over one displays the text in a pop-up, a really helpful way of getting a quick understanding of the wider biblical context of the passage we're studying. It's worth making a note of some of these key cross-references. To do this, go back to the Open Translation, select verses 37 to 39, right-click, ensure the focus is on the reference, and add a note to the notebook. And then type. Some key Old Testament context for this is Proverbs 18:4, Isaiah 12:3, and 55:1. This adds an indicator in the text, which will be present when you're looking at this passage in any translation. The Commentaries section shows all your commentaries with an article on this passage, and again, hovering over one shows the start of that article, while clicking it opens the commentary to that article. Both of these tools provide very useful information for sermon or Bible study lesson preparation. One providing details about particular words, and the other providing an easy way to gain some context on the passage as a whole. In the next video, we will look at the Bible Word Study Guide to focus on a particular word, and the Passage Guide to find out more information about the passage we're studying for sermon